Hi, to clone apps on your Vivo V40, we need to go in the settings and here just search for this apps tab. After that, if you scroll a bit, you will see this section app clone. You need to go in here and now you can see the list of apps you can clone. For example, we can clone Facebook and we would be able to have two separate accounts for the first Facebook and clone version. So let's do it now. I'm gonna tap on the Facebook to clone it and now the process has begun. So now cloned app icon, just add it to the home screen. Let's check it and yeah, here it is. So with the cloned app you can see this bubbled icon on the bottom of the app, which means that this is a copy of the original app. Let's do it one more time, but for now select TikTok. And here is the original app and that one is cloned because we can see those bubbles. So to delete this cloned app, you would need to simply press and hold it and select remove and it will be removed from your home page. To delete it at all, you would need to select this bin icon and just choose the button to uninstall. And that's it how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.